Hey there, I'm Steve Fleischer, your guide to the world of outdoor living with Timber West Design. Today I will take you behind the scenes on an exclusive look at a cool project we did where we combined a pavilion and a pergola. And of course, don't forget to stick around for the grand reveal. But before we dive into the creative process, make sure you subscribe so you can stay in the loop and see all our new upcoming designs. Now let's kick things off by immersing ourselves into the client's world. We begin by meeting with the client to understand their vision, their lifestyle, and any specific needs. The main goal for this project was to create a shaded haven for family gatherings. We envisioned a seating area that is covered by a solid roof pavilion that is connected to a pergola. The client wanted to install a hot tub under the pergola, so we added a lattice privacy screen. I've been to this house a few times after we've done the install, and they never answer the front door. They're always out back enjoying their new space. Following our insightful consultation, we start a comprehensive site analysis. Through drone shots and photos, we capture the essence of the outdoor space, considering the natural elements, sunlight patterns, and architectural features that will shape the design. From this wealth of information, we bring the client's vision to life through a detailed sketch. Witness the transformation of their dreams into a tangible foundation for our upcoming 3D rendering. Our skilled design team breathes life into the sketch, crafting a stunning 3D rendering that provides a real-world preview of the project. This step allows the client to visualize the end result, enabling any necessary adjustments before we proceed. With the green light from the client, we transition into the production phase. Our craftsmen and builders meticulously bring the design to life, ensuring every detail is executed with precision. Now brace yourselves for the moment we've all been waiting for, the grand installation. Our exceptional team swoops in to transform the outdoor space, turning it into a beautiful haven for your family to relish. Notice that there's no visible hardware. How do we do that? Dovetail joinery, a stunning and incredibly robust solution. As we conclude this journey, we hope you've enjoyed the glimpse into our luxury shade structures. If you're inspired to elevate your outdoor space, take the next step by visiting timberwestdesign.com. Enter your details for a free consultation with me and explore the possibilities of a custom-made kit shipped to your city and installed by a local contractor. Stay tuned for more insights and videos. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to witness more exciting projects that could spark your imagination. Your dream outdoor sanctuary is within reach, and I'm here to turn it into a reality. Until next time, thanks for watching.